Hello, hello, hello. The person who loves my video so much and telling me to make a video since a long time. Today I was free, so I made it. His name is Dharam Vishwakarma, Daju. Daju means elder brother. This man is a head cook of a hotel in Banarhat. Rajan Bhai, have a look. Rajan Bhai. Thank you, Daju. He is a head cook of a hotel in Banarhat. Nice man, Rajan Bhai.